Oh, there we go already. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Man.
that was a big crack.
You got a lot of big cracks going on.
Oh my goodness. Oh,
That was
that
extra
was
big.
huge.
Help out with the foot.
No. Wow. Oh, and you found it.
Well, ironically, the majority of people have similar issues in different areas. But yes, I have discovered it. Ooh.
Oh, that's good. I have found a release of pressure in my body. It's so good. I feel like I need to come back.
And you will.